Hello friends, in the previous video we discussed about the preparations of aldehydes and ketones. Now we'll discuss about the we can say again the chemical properties of aldehydes and ketones. See, this part is we can say that in this chemistry is organic chemistry. There are so many reactions are there, but if you study the mechanism of this reaction, it is we can say that it is very easy to write the we can say reactions. Even though so many reactions are there, every day you have to study or we can see the reaction of how the mechanism of this reaction is carried out. So it will be easy for you to study all these reactions. Now let us start with the chemical properties of the we can say aldehydes and ketones. Now you have seen that aldehydes and ketones they contain the carbonyl group. This carbon is the carbonyl carbon. It is a we can say that the electrophile one, this electrophilic center one. So nucleophile can attack only this we can say carbon one and we get the different products one. Let us begin with the first reaction of this aldehydes and ketone with the HCl. So when aldehyde reacts with the we can say that this HCl added across this we can say that is carbonyl carbon one, then we get here R C, here we get here OH, here CN, and we get here we can say H. This C hydrogen and we can say this CN added across this we can say that is carbonyl carbon one, and then we get here here aldehyde is we can say that the aldehyde cyanohydride. Its name is aldehyde cyanohydride. So if we use here suppose ketone, instead of suppose H, if you take here R, we get here like the same product R, C, here R will be there, here C and here OH. This time it is called as we can say ketone cyanohydride. As we are using ketone here, we get the ketone cyanohydride. As we are using aldehyde here, we get here aldehyde cyanohydride. This is the we can say reaction with the HCl. Simple reaction is that HCl added to this carbonyl carbon. So just you see the reaction one, you understand how the reaction is very easy to write one. Now see the second reaction, that is the reaction with sodium bisulfite. That is NaHCO3. SO3, sodium bisulfite. Then again we take here suppose aldehyde one RCHO, then plus NaHCSO3. Again after adding here this across this we can say carbonyl carbon, we get the product R C double bond, sorry single bond O SO3 Na, and here we can say here H, here also H. Then if you take here suppose R, we get here R only. Means simple reaction is there. Here also we can say that the addition product one. So here we can say that the aldehyde sodium sulfate one, sodium bisulfate we can say product one, and product is there. It is the aldehyde sodium bisulfite one, and the if suppose if we ketone one we get the ketone sodium bisulfite one. So like this we get we can say that it has changed. Only in place of H you can write the R or R dash for the ketones. I am taking only general reactions. You can take we can say different alkyl groups and you can write the product one. Okay, it's about the we can say that the sodium bisulfite. Let us see the third reaction now. That is with the we can say that this Grignard reagent one. That is CH3 Mg X or CH3 Mg we can say that the R. That's the Grignard reagent. Now aldehydes are C double bond OH, and with the reaction with the we can say that the Grignard reagent one. Let us again suppose that RMGH or let us suppose CH3MgX or CH3MgI. Then we get here intermediate one, that is R C, here we get O M G I, here we can say CH3 and H. Addition take place. Okay, you can just see across this carbonyl carbon one, and then it form intermediate one. It undergoes the, we can say that the hydrolysis one, acid hydrolysis one. We get here R, C. Here also we can say it is CH3. Here H and here OH. Yes, we get here we can say that the alcohol one. So if you take aldehydes one, we get here we can say that the secondary alcohols one. So it depends on the aldehyde. If you take suppose formaldehyde, HCHO, then you get your primary alcohols one. Means what we studied that is the alcohols converts into, we can say that the aldehydes ketones. Now here aldehydes are there, they converts into alcohol by treating with the, we can say that the this Grignard reagent. As you have taken here, we can say that the RCHO, R suppose if you take CH3, that is acetaldehyde, we will get here secondary alcohol. But if you take here suppose the formaldehyde HCHO, for H you take suppose here, we will get the here primary alcohol. So then even if you take suppose now ketones, instead of taking now suppose aldehyde, if you take ketone and react with the, we can say that this Grignard reagent one, we get the tertiary alcohol. So we can prepare primary alcohols, we can prepare secondary alcohols, we can prepare tertiary alcohols. When Grignard reagent is react with the, we can say that this formaldehyde, or we can say that acetaldehyde, or we can say acetone. So by aldehydes and ketones, one can prepare the alcohols and alcohols are primary, secondary, and tertiary. Now the fourth reaction is there, the reaction of, we can say, aldehydes and ketones with the alcohols one. Now I'll take now fourth reaction, reaction with alcohols. Now these alcohols are there, they react with the, we can say that this aldehydes one. So aldehydes are C double bond OH, reacts with the, we can say that the alcohol suppose ROH. Then this alcohol reacts with the acetaldehyde, or we can say aldehydes one, in presence of, we can say that the dry HCl. Then again we can say that here the same reaction, addition reaction will take place, added here over here, and then we get here RCOR. Here we can say that the OH and H. So here we can say that the alkoxy alcohol we get. It is called as the alkoxy alcohol. It is called as the hemiacetal. This hemiacetal again reacts with the second molecule of, we can say that the alcohol one. Then again we get here the product like this here R C O R. Here again we can say OR, and then we get here this H. So here we get the, we can say that the dialkoxy we can say alcohol one. Sorry, here put it here dialkoxy alcohol one. So in this reaction, first it formed, we can say hemiacetal, and now here we get here we can say that this diacetal one. So here dialkoxy alcohol one. Here we can say that the alkoxy alcohol one. So if we are using the suppose aldehydes one reacting with the alcohol, it forms the first hemiacetal one, and then afterwards we can say that the acetal. It is called acetal. Now in place of the, we can say aldehydes, if you take suppose ketone, this is in place of the H you can take R here. The same in place of H you will get here R here, so we get suppose now here R won't be there. So here we get the, we can say that the R1. So in this case, when we can say that there is a ketones are there that can form the cation. So that we can say, remember the same reaction is that alcohols it form the acetal one, and with the ketones it form the cation. So with the help with we have seen the, we can say that the four reactions one. First we have seen about the, we can say HCl. Then you have seen about the sodium bisulfite. Third you have seen about the, we can say Grignard reagent. And now fourth is about the, we can say alcohols one. With the alcohols, see first we have taken aldehydes one. Aldehydes reacts with the alcohol in presence of dry HCl one and form here alkoxy alcohol, which is called hemiacetal one. And if it further react with the, we can say second molecule of alcohol, it forms the dialkoxyalkane. It is dialkoxyalkane, not we can say dialkoxyalkane, which is called as acetal. Now, in place of the RH, if you take suppose R, it forms the ketone. The same reaction will we can say continue. Here also we get the R. So here we get we can say that the dialkoxy. Here we get the alkoxy ketone. If you take here suppose we have alkoxy alcohol. If you take here R, we get alkoxy alcohol one. That is also called a hemiketal. That is a hemiketal one, which further react with the we can say the second molecule of the alcohol one, and then we get here that is the ketal. So there also we can say the dialkoxy, we can say that the ketone one. The dialkoxy we can say that the alkane one. So like this we can say that here we get the ketal and the earlier we get the we can say the acetal one. Okay, so it's about the four reaction. Now fifth reaction is that is we can say that the reaction of the aldehydes and ketones with the substituted ammonia. Now we know ammonia that is the NH3. When the we can say that this ammonia that is the aldehyde NH2H. For H we can take the different groups. So by taking the different groups in place of Z, we can find the products with the we can say that is aldehydes and ketones. Now suppose aldehyde is there. Aldehyde when it reacts with the we can say that this substituted ammonia one, that is the NH2Z. Here Z is the any group will be there. Then that time it forms the we can say that the imine. This R C double bond N. Okay, like this we can say we get the group one NH and here Z1. So here we get we can say that like this the imine one. So imine group we get that is called as we can say cheap basis one. So aldehydes and ketones are here we can say in place of RH and R we get here only R, and we get here we can say that the N substituted aldehydes one or N substituted we can say that the ketones one. Now for example, suppose in place of H, suppose you are taking suppose the OH group. Suppose the OH is there. What will you get here? The NH2OH. That is called as the hydroxyl ammonia. This one oxide one. That is the oxide. Hydroxide we are saying. So here we get the we can say suppose acetaldehyde is there, we can say acetoxide. If suppose ketone is there, we can say ketoxide. So by taking the H Z as a different group, if you take OH, we will get here we can say oxide. Suppose in place of Z, if you take NH2, is NH2, NH2 is called hydrazine. Then what we get here? C double bond, here suppose H, here double bond, NH, NH2. So it is called as we can say that the acetal hydrazine. This hydrazine is there, NH2, NH2 is hydrazine. So you get here RCH, NH, NH2 is hydrazole. So if you take suppose ketone, you can say that the ketone hydrazole. So by taking different groups on, we can get a different